sparkling water here. Guys, I've got a plan to do 1 million this year. And that's, by the way, with my US side of things and my UK side of things. I'm not sure if that will sort of appear as dollars or pounds, but I'm determined to hit it in one of the two. That's my plan for this year. I want to get it to 7 figures. I want to get my brand to 7 figures. And here's how I plan on doing that. Let me explain. I want to hit this. Right now, I'm setting up a system, right? So I'm launching products for my brand all the time, like 1 a week at the moment. And I sort of got this sort of mindset now where I just don't settle. You know, I won't let my competition win. So I've got folders of multiple listings where I've got ideas of products that I want to launch, okay? And then I've got other folders where I've got current listings that need revamping, okay, to make them better. And then I've got another folder which is not only revamping but remaking some of my current products to make them even better, relaunching them, okay. And then I've got another folder of just new products that I'm launching. This is the obsession, the level of obsession that I've got. If you see one of the categories that I'm in, I've got like 4 or 5 listings in the top spot in some of these keywords. And you'll notice over time I've just got better and better and better and better and better. My product listings are performing better and looking better, and you can just see it. And this is sort of like innovation. This is sort of like the law of compounding, you know. I've got to the stage now where I truly believe you know, I'm sort of one of the best in the space, and I, you know, my sort of niche, and I'm gonna just get better and better and better at that now. Better photography, better Amazon PPC advertising, better keyword optimization, better listing creation, better listing optimization. I'm just at the stage now where I understand the importance of all this stuff. And it's the small details that are just extremely important. If you haven't got them small details, you're going to struggle. You need to be at the stage where you can push yourself when others won't. And that's the stage I'm at now. I'm pushing myself when others won't. Therefore, I understand that in order to win in this space, I need to be the best, the absolute best. So I'm making sure that I put the time and effort into them small details. I'm putting the time and effort into getting better pictures, getting listing optimization. And this may sound like basic stuff, but it's not. Most people are not doing this. In order to dominate, in order to build my 7-figure brand, I am becoming the best. One of the best. And eventually, as I said in other videos, my competition will give up because they will realize that I'm persistent and I'm never going to give up. I'm going to keep getting better and better and better and better. And they simply don't want to compete with me. And when you get that sort of level, that's when I believe that my listings will start sticking, along with the good Amazon advertising PPC, along with the keywords, along with the optimization, along with revamping the product if it needs revamping, getting better. You get yourself to a level, I believe, where you become a level of almost untouchable in terms of you're not going to give up. Competition is going to try and get you, and they can't, because even if they knock you off the top spot, I'm going to keep getting better and better. And that's the level I'm at now. That mixed with my general business knowledge, my expanding of the business knowledge, my systems, my operations, my staff, etc., my systems that I'm trying to grow, my resources I'm putting into the business to streamline things. That's just how it's going to happen, I believe. I don't believe that there's many people that are pushing it as hard as this. Not to mention growing the brand off Amazon as well, which is also going to have an effect on growing it on Amazon as well. And the Amazon sales are going to help the off Amazon sales. Just growing that in general, So anyway, so that's the Amazon side of things. I'm going to launch overseas. I'm going to launch the Shopify store, which is almost launched now, by the way. I'm going to be hitting that really hard. Every corner I'm going to be hitting hard. Improving everything, focusing on the small details, one by one. Having the patience, sticking it out and doing the boring stuff. That's what most people don't do. So yeah, that's how I plan to scale my brand. I'm going to keep you updated. As I say, we are on the trajectory of doing 1 million now. Some of that is with my arbitrage stuff in the USA, but yeah, the majority is going to be the brand. Okay. So yeah, 1 million goal for this year, and I will see you in the next video. Let's see. I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, just a really quick interruption of the video just to say that Buybot Pro is sponsoring this video, and down below there's a 14-day free trial to this amazing software, which I've been using for years now. So BuyBot Pro is a deal analyzer for arbitrage sellers and private label type sellers, where it just gives you all the profit, the accurate profit analysis, whether it's hazmat, whether you can sell it, whether you can't. There's like a keeper like graph in it as well, so you can look back at all the history and the data and analyze your deals correctly. Anyway, free trial links down below. Let's get back to the video.